Hello, my YouTubers! This is your cameraman, Daniel Drupsky, for this new update, and today is January 2nd, 2023. And right now, when we did the last time we did the woods thing, that was on Halloween, on October 31st, 2022. You see these men over there? I think they're just doing some little landscaping or something like that. I didn't expect it. It's a good thing I just catch it up. Yep. The last time we did this, it was on October 31st of 2022 for the woods thing with the bulldozers and such. Yep. I've been doing this for ever since. It's like they tear down the trees back in 2021 of March. And also they did some of it in August of last year, 2022. Yep. They're doing like a little landscaping or something like that. You know, I've been going to that woods over there almost like every day. If it was a rainy day, I couldn't go there. Yep. We got to keep in mind about these things. I didn't expect them, but somebody told me. Other videos I just did recently, like the throwing things into the dumpster on 710, 712 Laurel, and then like a little video of the then the other video was the 719 Laurel next door to my house. Thanks parking the truck over there. Yep. This is the first time in 2 months I ever make videos like this. About almost like 9 weeks ago, when the weather was so warm back in late October and early November, when it was still a little bit light out there for the daylight savings. Right now, winter clock is 1 o'clock. Summer clock right now is maybe 2 o'clock. Like gaining like another hour or two. It's great to live in Pennsylvania. Whatever we see some specialties. So I hope you enjoyed this first video of the bulldozer and the doing like a tree forest work, and I'll make some more in the meantime. You just take care, comment, subscribe, or ring the bell of any of the upcoming videos about it. You just take care, and see you later. Bye.